Hi students, now I am discussing about laws of exponents. See, this is a very important formula. Nana. See, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. See, second one, a power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n, where m is greater than n. A power m whole power n is equals to a power mn. Next one, a power m b power m is equals to ab whole power m. And next final one, a power 0 is equals to 1. Here a is not equals to 0. Once save this rule, it will useful in exam. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోల కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ గోపి సార్ మ్యాథ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.